Now we're back with the Labyrinth X speaker, the little wireless Bluetooth waterproof speaker, and we're going to do a quick sound test for you on that. So I'm already all paired up. So we're just going to play some music. I'm going to start at a low volume and I'm just going to slowly increase it throughout the video. So here you go, check it out.
You good advice, and now I'm losing sight. Sometimes it'd be better.
Just going to slowly up it a bit.
And not knowing what you thought, cause everybody's got an opinion. What should stay and what should believe in. Take your words, thank you for giving. I do not need them to speak unless I want you to.